I totally understand. Yeah. Okay. So I'll give you an extra surprise. Actually, no, just take the whole entire pack, then I can release it again. Yeah? Sure. Yeah? Hi. What can I do for you? There's a note in here, so. Are you serious? You always have a missing assignment in here. Who told you that I was in the main office? Oh my gosh, she's so annoying. But, hey, what assignment are you missing? Are you serious right now? That's the highest grade you could get. Okay, were you absent? Why were you absent? You're not called to school. Oh. I'm sorry, you're not lying to me. So we didn't just skip school or fake sick. Okay. Oh, you left the gamer here. Why? You don't even have like the Switch. You left this. Anyways, but that's the highest grade you could get. Right now you're at an F minus at the class right now. And you should set that up. I made that grade especially for you. You lost it. I put it on your desk. Did you put it in your folder? Did you shove it in your desk? Hun, it's the last day of school. Come on. You need to get your act together. This is insane. So you're telling me you don't have it. We're doing it over the summer, honey. You're doing it over the summer. Okay. That's how it's gonna go. Okay. You don't have it. Your grade is gonna stay in F. And I know your parents are very strict. So I want you to get that grade up. And I want you to study for this. But when your first day of school, you're gonna take it with me in my office. Hear me? Good. I will give you back your gaming set for now. But if we bring it back to school, I would take it. And I will play video games on my own. Oh, I'll give it to my daughter. She loves video games. But get that grade up.